Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Tara, and in today's video we're going to be decluttering, getting rid of a lot of stuff you see here in this crowded living room, and just cleaning up and doing a refresh. I hope everybody had a happy holidays. I've missed you guys, but we're back and we have a lot of cool stuff coming soon. We're going to be doing a lot of makeovers, but today we're just going to start cleaning up this house after the holidays. We've already taken down most of the Christmas stuff, but we need to do some major cleaning. Alright, so I'm going to be focusing mainly on the living room because it's a mess and there's just too much stuff in there. These wicker shelves that you're getting ready to see, they are going to a new home. At first I thought I wanted them in the house or use them in the booth, but we just decided they're taking up too much room, so we're just going to get rid of them. So you'll see in the end, it looks a lot better. It's not so cluttered and it just feels more open. I think right there you can just see that's too many shelves along with these white shelves. So they're going bye-bye, and I'm glad we made that decision. I've decided that I am going to just get rid of so much stuff and kind of start fresh. We're going to have a lot of new makeovers like I was saying earlier. We're going to do the bathroom makeover in our guest bathroom. We're going to be fixing these floors so they match throughout the house. We're going to be building a porch. We just have a lot of stuff planned. But for today, let's just focus on this living room and get it cleaned up.
Things must pass, but I'm not gonna wake up, I'm not ready.
So these are the wicker shelves I was referring to. We were actually going to use them in our antique booth, or actually I was going to keep the middle one and use the other ones in our antique booth, but we have enough in there, so we're just going to let these go and let them go to a new home and someone else can enjoy them. They are beautiful and I fell in love with them, but they're just not for me. I just want the house to feel like that farmhousey vibe again, and this doesn't really fit that vibe, so that's why we're getting rid of them. And they do take up a lot of space. I wanted to try putting this shelf in front of this window just to see if I liked it. I knew I wouldn't, but once I get something in my head, I have to try it just so I know. But it's too cluttered. It already looks a little too much over here, so we're going to be working on that in the next video. But anyways, I'll show how it looks, and then I end up moving it again before it goes to its new home. We're also going to be working on an upcoming video of this wall right here behind me. You can see all the spots where we try to repair where the little strips that are in mobile homes are, but it looks awful, so we're going to figure out something to do in those little spots as well.
Forget what I said, just come on over. I don't need nobody else but me. It doesn't matter what you're gonna say. I just need time right now. I'm going alone tonight. I don't need nobody else but me. But I'm thinking about the way the way you make me grounded. Thinking of the way the way you used to hold me. When you started, the words singing down, down, down. I'm still falling for you. Forget what I said, just come on over. Naked state of mind, eyes blind, and it is getting dangerous. I don't wanna fight the feeling inside, 'cause your words are so contagious. I don't wanna be distracted, no, I'm having a reaction. Oh, I give in to you, give in to your state of mind. You don't wanna be distracted, no, you're having a reaction. Oh, I can feel I can feel you burning up. 'Cause tonight we lose it all. We let go, it's something in the way you move that makes me do things I've never done. Yeah, tonight we lose it all.
So I'm switching out this rug. I'm going for something a little bit warmer. So that green one I might use in one of my other rooms. Y'all know I love green, so I'm sure I'll end up using it somewhere.
Lights keep dancing by, painting the sky and adding to our chemistry. Heart beats aligned, right in time. You've become a remedy. I don't wanna be distracted, no.
Alright, so I'm just going to rearrange the couches and kind of make it more functional for the living room. But we're going to eventually get rid of these couches. They are a pain to keep clean, and there's a little latch on the bottom that keeps coming undone, so they don't stay connected, and it's just aggravating. We'll probably try to find something similar, but maybe a different color. To me, this white just doesn't look clean. I know it's clean because I clean them all the time. I always get out my little shampooer and scrub them. Maybe, I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I know they're clean because they smell clean. But there's just like always little spots everywhere. So, like I said, we love the reclining feature because we're always in here watching movies. But we'll find something similar.
Tonight we lose it all. I'm broken, and even if the sky would fall in flames, are getting closer. My skin's on fire. On fire. My skin's on fire.
Alright, so we're going to work on these bookshelves, get them cleaned up a little bit and declutter some. Alright, so now we'll get started on this side. We had a lot of stuff going on over here, so we're just going to get rid of this and try to make it a little bit prettier.
A thousand words ain't enough to define the body up, yeah. Got a look and she wants it bad. She's firing up that body up, yeah. You think that I want you, but nah, babe. You're one in a million, but it's not for me. I'm not into girls with a plastic trace. Don't take it too personally, yeah. My fault, my bad. The word's out, but you aren't ready for it. Show off, appearance of I got it, but I can't see through all the lies. The lies, the lies, the lies, the lies, the lies, the lies. Gotta be hard on you now to know the truth. A bit confused, but there's a bunch of us out in the world who's just
So these IKEA bookshelves come with extra shelves for underneath where the doors are. We didn't have them up yet, but I'm going to go ahead and install them so I can put all my candles in here.
real, not the custom made. I'll buy you a drink, keep you company. I'm sorry, that's all it would be. My fault, my bad. The word's out, but you aren't ready for it. Show off, appearance of
I have realized that the clutter makes me very anxious, so less is more, y'all. We're going to be going through decluttering, bringing y'all with us. We got some awesome makeovers coming up, so make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and stay tuned.